Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows keyboard not showing in device manager as well as not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all right click and go to your device manager. After that, now you can see that keyboard not showing in my device manager. The first method is that first of all select anyone, and after that click on action and scan hardware changings. Now if this method is worked not working, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your view options, and after doing this click on a show hidden devices. Now after show hidden devices, now you can see that keyboards is working. So after that, now you can check it if it's working or not. So now in cases that keyboard is not working, uninstall these devices, and now you can see the right click on update driver and click on browse my computer from drivers and click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer, and after that select the standard PS2 keyboard. Now click on next to continue, and after that Windows encounter problem installing the device. Now select it, right click on update driver, click on browse my computer, click on let me pick available driver for my computers, and after that now you can see that I show all devices. So scroll down and find out a keyboard. Now if keyboard option is not appear, then cancel it and select a standard PS keyboard. Right click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick available driver for my computer, and uncheck the show compatibility hardware. Now select a standard PS2 keyboard and click next to continue and close it. Once again update drivers, click on let me pick and install it. Now close it, and after that if keyboard not working, then go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshooting, click on other troubleshoots and run the keyboard. Click run it, click close it and close it, and after that check the keyboard is working or not. After doing this state, now restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type turn Windows feature and on and off. So click on, now open a turn Windows features on and off, and after doing this state expand the window net framework 3.1 3.5 including 2.0, and if it is checked then uncheck it. So uncheck all three things and click on OK button. after doing this, now you can see that a window needs to reboot your computer, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.